Strength training is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle, and it offers a wide range of benefits, especially for women. It helps you feel stronger physically, but it also has incredible effects on your mental well-being and overall health. In this video, we're going to dive deep into 10 amazing benefits of strength training that will inspire you to incorporate it into your fitness routine. Get ready to transform your body and mind. Strength training is the key to building and maintaining muscle mass, which is super important as we age. As we get older, our muscle mass naturally decreases, making it crucial to engage in activities that help preserve and enhance our muscles. When you challenge your muscles with weights or resistance bands, you create tiny tears in the muscle fibers. These micro tears might sound alarming, but they are actually a vital part of the muscle building process. Don't worry, these tears are a good thing. They signal your body to start the repair process, which is where the magic happens. Your body responds by repairing these tears, making the muscle fibers stronger and thicker. This process not only helps in muscle growth but also in enhancing muscle endurance and resilience. This increase in muscle mass not only gives you a toned physique but also improves your overall strength and physical function. Strong muscles support your joints, improve your posture, and reduce the risk of injuries. Whether you're lifting groceries, playing with your kids, or simply going about your day, having strong muscles makes everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. It enhances your quality of life by making you more capable and independent. So if you want to feel empowered and capable in your body, strength training is a must. It not only boosts your physical health but also your mental well-being, giving you a sense of accomplishment and confidence. One of the amazing benefits of strength training is its ability to boost your metabolism. You see, muscle is more metabolically active than fat, meaning it burns more calories even when you're at rest. So by building muscle mass through strength training, you're essentially turning your body into a calorie-burning machine. This increased metabolism not only helps with weight management, but also gives you more energy throughout the day. Imagine feeling energized and ready to tackle anything that comes your way. That's the power of a boosted metabolism. So if you're looking to fire up your metabolism and feel amazing from the inside out, strength training is the answer. As women, we're at a higher risk of osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more prone to fractures. But here's the good news: strength training can help protect your bones. Weight-bearing exercises such as squats, lunges, and push-ups put stress on your bones, which stimulates them to become stronger and denser. It's like giving your bones a workout too. By incorporating strength training into your routine, you're not only building a strong body, but also investing in your long-term bone health. Strong bones mean more freedom to move with confidence and enjoy an active lifestyle for years to come. So, let's prioritize bone health and make strength training a non-negotiable. Chapter 4. Enhances mood. Feeling stressed, anxious, or down. It's a common experience in our fast-paced world, where the pressures of daily life can sometimes feel overwhelming. Strength training to the rescue. This form of exercise is not just about building muscles, it's about building a better mood and a stronger mind. Exercise in general is a fantastic mood booster, and strength training takes it to the next level. It engages your body in a way that promotes mental clarity and emotional stability. When you engage in strength training, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. These endorphins act as natural stress relievers, helping you feel more at ease. Think of it as your body's natural mood elevator. Each session of strength training can leave you feeling more accomplished and satisfied. Regular strength training can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, leaving you feeling happier, more relaxed, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. It's a holistic approach to mental well-being. It's like a therapy session for your mind and body. The benefits extend beyond the gym, influencing your overall outlook on life. So, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your mood and feel more positive, grab those weights and get ready to experience the transformative power of strength training. It's time to lift your spirits and your weights. Chapter 5. Aids in weight management. Let's talk about weight management, a topic that's often on our minds. Strength training can be a game changer when it comes to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. As we discussed earlier, strength training increases muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories throughout the day. But that's not all. Strength training also helps to reduce body fat and build lean muscle mass, which can give you a more toned and sculpted physique. By incorporating strength training into your fitness routine, you're not only burning calories but also shaping your body in a way that makes you feel confident and strong. It's a win-win. Chapter 6. Increases energy levels. Feeling tired and sluggish? Strength training can give you that much-needed energy boost. You might think that exercise would drain your energy, but it actually has the opposite effect. When you engage in strength training, you're improving your body's ability to use oxygen efficiently, which means you'll have more energy to power through your day. Regular strength training can also help regulate your hormones, including cortisol, the stress hormone that can lead to fatigue. By managing stress levels and improving hormonal balance, strength training can leave you feeling energized, focused, and ready to take on the world. So, ditch the coffee and grab those dumbbells. Tossing and turning at night? Strength training can help you catch those Z's. Regular physical activity, including strength training, has been shown to improve sleep quality by promoting deeper and more restful sleep. When you engage in strength training, you're tiring out your muscles, which signals to your body that it's time to rest and recover. This can lead to falling asleep faster and experiencing fewer sleep disturbances throughout the night. By incorporating strength training into your routine, you're not only investing in your physical health but also prioritizing your sleep hygiene. And we all know that a good night's sleep is essential for feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle the day ahead. Strength training isn't just about building a strong and healthy body, it's also about protecting yourself from chronic diseases. Studies have shown that regular strength training can lower the risk of developing chronic conditions such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. By improving cardiovascular health, regulating blood sugar levels, and reducing inflammation, strength training acts as a powerful preventative measure against these serious health concerns. It's like giving your body a shield of protection. So, by making strength training a part of your lifestyle, you're not only investing in your current health, but also safeguarding your future well-being. Strength training isn't just about physical strength, it's also incredibly empowering for your mind. When you challenge yourself physically and push your limits, you gain a sense of accomplishment and boost your self-confidence. This newfound confidence can translate into other areas of your life, helping you feel more capable and resilient. Moreover, strength training has been shown to improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and decision-making skills. It's like a workout for your brain. So, by incorporating strength training into your routine, you're not only sculpting a stronger body but also cultivating a sharper, more resilient mind. We all want to live long, healthy, and fulfilling lives, and strength training can help us achieve just that. By improving overall physical and mental health, strength training contributes to longevity. When you engage in regular strength training, you're strengthening your muscles, bones, and cardiovascular system, which are essential for maintaining independence and mobility as you age. Moreover, strength training helps to prevent age-related decline in muscle mass and bone density, reducing the risk of falls, fractures, and other health complications. By incorporating strength training into your lifestyle, you're making a proactive choice to age gracefully, maintain your independence, and enjoy an active and fulfilling life for years to come. So, there you have it, 10 amazing benefits of strength training for women. These benefits range from improved muscle tone and increased strength to better mental health and enhanced self-confidence. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned fitness enthusiast with years of experience, incorporating strength training into your routine can have a profound impact on your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It can help you build a stronger, more resilient body and mind. Remember, you don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment to get started. You can begin your strength training journey right at home with minimal gear. You can start with bodyweight exercises at home or grab some dumbbells and resistance bands. These simple tools can be incredibly effective in helping you build strength and endurance. The key is to start slow, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. Consistency is crucial, and tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. And to keep you motivated, I've created a playlist of upbeat and empowering music that will help you power through your workouts. Music can be a great way to keep your energy levels high and make your workouts more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and inspiration. Let's get stronger together. Your support means a lot and helps me create more content to help you on your fitness journey.